Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, everything in the crypto space. I teach you basically how to make money online. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification, because I want to reveal to you a secret that can change your life forever. A lot of people don't know this. Many people know that cryptocurrency can change their life. Many people know they can make money from crypto. They are looking for ways to buy Bitcoin, buy different kind of coins, which is good. But the real place in crypto where you can make money that can change your life in a very short while, you can actually invest in the coin and can get over 1000% return in the space of 30 days, is in Shitcoin. Yes, the people that know this, they know you can make 100x, 200x, 300x in a day, in 2 days, in 3 days with Shitcoin, right? But the question is, how do you know the Shitcoin to invest? How do you find a good Shitcoin? And that is what I'll be showing you guys here. Now, it took Bitcoin 7 years, right? 6 years. It took Bitcoin around 6 years to hit its all-time high of 1000% pump in 6 years, which is a massive, profit for anybody that invested in Bitcoin as early as 2017. But it took Shiba Inu 1 month to do that, right? Shiba Inu has been existing for like less than a year now, but in the space of 1 month, Shiba Inu actually hit 1000%. Look at this. This was in the month of October 2021, and boom, Shiba Inu went to as high as 1044%. So imagine investing $100, you'd have made like over $100,000. Am I correct? Now it should even be more than that. Let me quickly solve a quick math here. So if you invest $100 times 1000, yeah, that's $100,000 just like that, right? No investment in the world can give you that return in 1 month. But the question is, how do you find shitcoins? How do you find good shitcoins? How do you sort them and stuff like that? Because a lot of people go online looking for information like this, and many YouTubers are not even making videos in this space. Maybe they are not aware, maybe they are carried away with the trading and the futures and stuff like that, or maybe they don't even know how to sort this thing. But you need to subscribe to my channel if you are already feeling me and enjoy my content, because what I do on this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, I talk about crypto projects, I give you signals on shitcoins, I do reviews on shitcoins. So when it comes to shitcoins, I know where you can get these shitcoins, I know how you can sort these shitcoins, and I know what to like. You need to trust me on this. This is something I'm, to an extent, I'm very, very good at, right? So without wasting much of our time, one of the ways people will tell you to look for shitcoin, which is not wrong, is absolutely correct, is to go to the biggest platform that posts cryptocurrencies, and that platform is CoinMarketCap. So on CoinMarketCap, you will see different cryptocurrencies and their market cap. And if you come to CoinMarketCap, you go to the categories, right? From there, you are going to see a place called meme. There are many coins, like 150 categories. Out of the categories, we have metaverse, we have different one, but there's one called meme. But in the meme category, that's where you see a lot of shitcoin. You can see Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Doge Elon, Huge, ERC20, Doge Dash, many shitcoins like that. You can see those shitcoins there. So they will tell you, begin to look for the shitcoins, begin to sort them and all. The question is, there are thousands of shitcoins that are on this place. How do you know the one that is good from the one that is bad? How do you know them before they pump? How do you know that the ones that are safe to invest? And every day, thousands of shitcoins keep coming out. So it is very difficult for you to find out the next Shiba Inu. But I'm going to be teaching you a strategy you can use to actually get good shitcoins. People also tell you to go to coingecko.com. Almost similar strategy. When you go to coingecko.com, they'll tell you to go to there's recently added coins. The majority of the coins in the recently added part of coingecko.com are usually shitcoins. You begin to sort them, you begin to filter them and stuff like that. But the fact that the coins are recently added doesn't mean that they are new. It just means that they were just listed on CoinGecko. That means they would have been existing somewhere. And are they safe to invest? How do you know these coins are safe to invest? And those are the things I'll be showing you here. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to one of the strategies I use to find out shitcoins that are safe to invest. And if you follow this strategy, look at a lot of shitcoins that are on coingecko.com, just recently listed. How do you know the one that is good? How do you know the one that is safe? How do you filter the noise and everything? One of the ways to do this is for you to just use this simple method, right? You can actually come on CoinGecko, begin to take these coins one after the other, begin to sort them and all, But then I'll tell you that is going to waste a lot of time. But something you can do is you can actually go on this particular website, Token Sniffer. Now, if you come to tokensniffer.com, you see, welcome. Our mission is to make decentralized trading safer from malicious contracts, rug pulls, and hacks. So this site scans contracts for known scams, computes helpful token metrics, and maintain a list of scams. So you can also use it to find the newest token. We are working to add more features, check back, and often follow us. So one thing you can get from here is that they give you a list of scam tokens, which you can open in a new tab. They show you the list of newest tokens. Some of these newest tokens have not even been listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Very true. And they even help you to do the analysis and the review of the token to tell you if the token is safe to invest or not, right? So I'm going to give you another method again that is also very, very good, that if you try it again, it's going to help you, because this time around you're not even using a website like this, you are working with other people. But let's continue making this video, right? Now, when you come to Token Sniffer and you open the list of scam tokens, you're going to see tokens that they've seen and they know that these tokens are scam. Look at it. Scam tokens, out of latest tokens, out of 98,094 total flagged due to known or potential scam and hacks and whatever. Note, many scams listed there have names similar to legitimate tokens. Please verify the contract and stuff like that, right? From here, we are looking at the latest scam tokens. We have like out of 98,000 list. Look at the latest scam. So from here, you can see tokens you should not even go close to. You should not invest your money in. Now, a popular token that was listed recently is Ape token. But look at, they've made the Ape scam. They've made the Ape Yacht scam. So many Ape version, Ape coin, all these are Ape Yacht Club, all these are scam token. We have a Floki Inu token that is a legit project, but people have gone to make the scam Floki Inu. So you need to be very careful, because there are a lot of scam tokens out there, and these tokens are shitcoins. So at least coming here and checking the list, you know the ones that are potential scams that you should avoid your money from completely. One. Number two, if you still open this next tab, you're going to see the newest BSC token. These are tokens that have just been listed. You don't know whether they are safe to invest or they are not safe to invest. So this is not an endorsement. But majority of these tokens that have just been listed are not even on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Look at Struggle Ape, Green Pool, Green Network, and whatever. Now, you have seen this token. The next thing you can do is you can begin to sort out this token. You can click on this token, right? The Struggle Ape token. When you click on it, as far as the token is on Token Sniffer, you can get information about the contract and stuff like that. And this is it. This token was deployed on the 23rd of March 2022, which is actually today, right? So this token is new. There is analysis of this token on Token Sniffer. The next thing you can see is that this token is scoring 55 over 100, which is not safe enough. The token has a prior similar token, which is also not safe. There is no adequate liquidity in this token. There is no adequate liquidity in this token, which is also not a good sign. So when you begin to see signs like this, you become more careful. Another thing you can further do is you can actually go on to now copy the contract address of this token, right? You can copy the contract address of this token. You just click here to copy it. Then you go to poolcoin.app. You paste the token contract address on poolcoin.app. Poolcoin will now bring out information like the market cap, the liquidity, and every other information concerning the number of people holding the token and the quantity they are holding. So this is one way you can begin to filter token to find out the good ones and the bad ones. I will give you a perfect example of how you can know a good token. And these kind of tokens are always very, very rare. It might not be easy for you to get tokens like this, but when you begin to sort tokens out, you become more smarter in how to do it. I don't want this video to be too long. I still have another place to show you guys this, but if you are enjoying this content already, please make sure you like my video, you leave a comment. It will encourage me to make more videos and stuff like that, right? Just leave a positive comment, like my video, and because of that, I'll begin to give you guys more insight on shitcoins and how you can actually make money from shitcoins. So from what we can see here, you see that this particular token is a new token. The market cap is just $189. $189, which means this token is new. Is it safe to invest now? Does this token look like a token that you can make a lot of money in? We can't say. So what we now do next is we begin to check the liquidity. Now there is no adequate liquidity in this token. One. Number two, you need to check the token holders. check the token holders, you begin to check other informations like is there any community behind the project, right? So these are the ways you begin to sort out the token to find if the token is safe or not. Now look at this. From the token holders, there are just 22 addresses in this token. It is not safe to buy a token that just have 22 addresses. It is very, very, very risky. No matter how the token looks good, it means that people are not aware of the token. You should be looking at least a minimum of over 500 to 1000 address. That is minimum, so that you will know that you are even early, you are safe in the token. Apart from that, nobody is owning large amount of the token. However, the addresses in this token are very low. So this is something you also need to take cognizance of. Now you need to also be very careful when you come to token sniffer and you are looking at the smell test score. If the score is below 55, you need to not even go close to the token at all. You need to avoid it completely. If the score is 55 and stuff like that, you need to be very careful, because there are some red flags that smell test is telling you might make you lose money when you invest in this project. But when the token is like above 70 to 80, then it gives you more confidence. Like maybe from around 75 to 100, it gives you more confidence to want to invest in the token, right? And the truth is, there are tokens like that are very safe. One of those tokens was one I saw one time. This kind of token, at least you have confidence you're not going to be losing your money, right? The only thing you will not be waiting for is if the community are so strong and they can push the token and begin to invite people, like begin to spread the token on social media platform, and the big ways begin to invest money, you cannot make huge amount of money from the token. One of those token is Shiba Inu token. Look at this. If you copy the contract address of this token, the first time I listed this, I talked about this token, I know somebody that made like, I think, is it 200x from this particular token. Yeah, I know somebody that bought the token from this channel, right? Now if you copy the contract address of this token, now you take it to token sniffer, I want to show you that there are tokens that are actually very safe, and you paste it here, and you press enter. You're going to see that this is Shiba Inu token. If you press enter, you're going to see that this token will score very high. That alone will give you, look at this token scored 100 over 100. So there is no reason for you to be scared. There's no reason for you to panic. The ownership is renounced. The buy fee is perfect. The sell tax is perfect. The token doesn't have any whale mechanism. There is adequate liquidity in this token. So this is perfectly a very good token to invest your money in. The only thing that is now left is now their marketing presence, their social media and stuff like that. So what do you do next? Now that you know that this token is safe, and this token is not, a lot of people are not even familiar with this token, the next thing you do is you can copy that same contract address, paste it on poolcoin.app, right? When you paste it on poolcoin.app, for double confirmation, you can still take the contract address of that particular token and you go to bscheck.eu to see if the token is also looking safe on bscheck.eu. While it is loading, okay, it has loaded, right? I want to show you guys the secret. Like, this is stuff I do all the time. That is where, because you might not be able to read a contract address, and the thing might be very risky and not safe, so you just need to know how to use these tools. Now look at bscheck.eu is telling you this token is green, it seems safe. It is hard for you to get a token that is very, very safe like this. The number of people owning this token is just 1012 people. Everything looks good. The only thing you now need to know is, do these guys have good marketing team? Is there any marketing plan that can actually make you fetch a lot of money very fast? Because this token is safe to invest. And how do you do this? You do this by checking their social media presence. When you go back to CoinMarketCap, Shiba token, you need to now come to community. When you click on the community, you begin to see the platforms that they are and the platforms they operate. Another thing you can also do is you can open their official website, right? And yes, another secret again is when you see a token on CoinMarketCap that is static audit, that is something like a static audit below that token, it is also a very good token to invest in. Let me look for an example of a token that would have static audit. Let's look for a token with static audit. Which token can I remember has static audit? Static audit. Okay, let's use Baby Doge. The only problem with Baby Doge is that Baby Doge has pumped and has made a lot of people crazy amount of money. right? Is this the real Baby Doge? I think this is the official Baby Doge. If you open Baby Doge, there's supposed to be a static audit in Baby Doge, but let's check, right? Now back to while we are waiting for Baby Doge to load. I don't want to. Okay, good. Look at this is what I'm trying to say. Now this token is Baby Doge, and below here you can see audit. There's a static audit. Now static audit is an auditing firm that helps you check through the token to make sure the token is safe, and once they see that the token is safe, they certify it with this static audit proof, so that way you can know that the token is safe. That is a way to find a very good shitcoin, right? And another thing again, I said you have to go and check the social media presence of this token. Now for example, look at this Chiba token. This Chiba token currently has 2,616 followers, right? And they are following 130 people. This is the official Twitter account. If you can get access to their Telegram group, you also try to check their Telegram group and stuff like that. Now you need to check their tweets, how much they interact, how much they have posted, how they are pushing their project and stuff like that. But right now I won't be able to give those information because I've not logged into my Twitter. But back to the tutorial. The next thing you can do if you want to get good tokens that are safe to invest without you even doing a lot of work yourself is to follow the second method. Go to reddit.com, right? When you go to reddit.com and you search for cryptocurrency, you're going to see crypto moonshots. You're going to see cryptocurrency, crypto moonshot and stuff like that. So we are searching for cryptocurrency. You see cryptocurrency. This particular group is to just give you, this is a group for people that are interested in cryptocurrencies and stuff like that, and there are over 4.6 million. Then we have the crypto moonshot group. This is where you get new tokens, particularly meme tokens that are not popular, that are not out there, that you can quickly invest your money in. So with this, once you are on this crypto moonshot, this is like a forum. You just come here every day and you keep reading all the updates on various meme tokens, and you begin to check the ones that people are interacting with, the ones that have potentials and stuff like that, and that has low market cap, that can fetch you a lot of money, and people are already investing in, people are upvoting. Take those coins, then go and do this research on both Token Sniffer and BS Check, and that is the way you can begin to find good shit coins. There are so many other ways to do it, but for the sake of this video is getting long, my internet is lagging. I will make more videos on this particular topic. Now one thing you can do for me that I'll be so glad, that would really make me feel good after spending my time making this video with so much passion and so much energy, is for you to leave a positive comment, is for you to like my video, is for you to subscribe to my channel, to even share my video. That is the least you can do. It's going to help my algorithm to make more people that are looking for content like this to see this content. And yes, this is where I'll be stopping this video. I know I talk very fast. I just hope you guys are able to get the information. So from Reddit moonshot, you can see different projects. They will list it, then you begin to filter them. Project Safe Wallet, there's another one, Mini Ape on Binance Smart Chain, market cap is $90,000 and stuff like that. You begin to check the upvote, you begin to check what others are saying about the project. Look at this particular one. This one already has 609 upvote. Ghost Protocol just launched 18 days ago. KYC audit soon, stuff like that. You begin to check the comment of people, and you just copy from there. You can now go to the official website, copy the contract address, and do more research on your own. I will not be able to finish everything on this particular video. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alpha Crypto Wolf signing out.